Next, question number 13. Y equal to tan theta into sin theta plus this cos theta. And this it is equation by applying of it is the product rule. What is the product rule? D by it is dx of it is u into v. It is equal to differentiate u keep as it is, differentiate the term dv by dx plus v keep as it is, differentiate u term du by dx. The product rule u into v, differentiation of u into v is equal to u into differentiate v dv by dx plus it is v into du by dx by applying a product rule. Applied here, it is this one is called it is u and second term defined by it is v. Therefore, differentiation with respect to x, we can write dy by it is dx left hand side equation is equal to, and first it is term, it is keep it u as it is, tan x is called u, write as tan it is theta. Here differentiation with respect to it is theta and into, and differentiate with respect to theta as it is sin it is theta plus it is cos it is theta within the bracket plus, and then keep b as it is. B is called it is sin it is theta in plus it is cos it is theta, keep as it is, into differentiate u is called tan theta, that what is called d by it is d theta of it is tan it is theta. Keep u term that is tan theta as it is, differentiate it is v term, d by d theta is sin theta plus cos theta. Then keep a v term as it is, differentiate the u term, it is tan theta. Now differentiate, that is equal to keep tan theta as it is, into differentiation of sin become it is plus it is cos theta, and minus cos become minus it is sin theta. Differentiation of cos become minus sin theta. Plus it is sin it is theta as it is, plus it is cos theta, into, and differentiation of tan we know it is secant square it is theta. Differentiation of tan becomes secant square it is theta. Just it is convert it is sin and tan and secants are sin cos form. The tan we can write as sin x sin theta by it is cos it is theta. Within the bracket of it is cos theta minus it is sin it is theta, and plus it is sin it is theta plus it is cos theta, into it is 1 by it is cos square it is theta is called secant square. Secant square rate as 1 by cos square. Just it is multiply these two terms inside the bracket. First one just multiply, it is equal to sin it is theta by it is cos theta into it is cos theta first term. Again multiply minus sin into sin square. Sin square it is theta by it is cos theta. Then multiply the 1 by cos square theta inside the bracket, plus it is sin it is theta by it is cos square it is theta, plus cos square numerator by cos square. Cos it is theta by it is cos square it is theta denominator. Therefore, 1 cos cancel here. Again 1 cos cancel here. That is equal remaining it is sin it is theta remaining first term. Again it is sin square it is theta by it is cos theta second term. Then plus it is sin it is theta by it is cos square theta plus it is 1 by it is cos theta remaining. Just combine these two terms, that is equal to sin it is theta plus it is 1 by it is cos it is theta minus sin square it is theta by it is cos it is theta, plus again one more term it is sin theta by cos square remaining. Just combine these two terms, because we can take cos theta commonly, we get 1 minus it is sin square, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Therefore, it is sin theta, that is plus it is take common denominator equal to cos it is theta, 1 minus it is sin square is called numerator, plus it is sin it is theta by it is cos square it is theta denominator. So we know 1 minus sin square equal to cos square, it is equal to sin it is theta plus 1 minus sin square equal to cos square it is theta by it is cos it is theta, plus it is sin it is theta by it is cos square it is theta. That is equal to sin it is theta plus it is cos it is theta as it is plus, and sin theta by cos square theta remaining, we can write sin theta by cos theta 1 by cos theta. sin it is theta by it is cos it is theta into 1 by it is cos it is theta. So we have it is 1 by cos square. That cos square you can write sin by cos into 1 by cos. Now we know that tan sin by cos equal to tan, 1 by cos equal to secant, that is equal to sin theta plus it is cos theta plus it is tan it is theta into it is secant theta. This is book answer. Question number 15, y equal to x sin x cos x. Now we know the three terms in the product, therefore we can have the term in the form of it is u into v into w. Differentiation dy by it is dx that is equal to, keep first two term as it is, differentiate last one, u and v are as it is, d by it is dx of it is w, plus it is second term differentiation u as it is, d by it is dx of it is v, plus into it is w, plus and first term differentiation d by dx of it is u into v into w. Apply this product rule to differentiate this given equation. Therefore, the given term differentiate with respect to x, write as left hand side dy by it is dx that is equal to, keep it is u term and v term as it is, x into it is sin x as it is, differentiate with respect to x, the w as it is cos it is x, plus keep it is first term last term as it, differentiate it is v, it is sin x, therefore it is u is cos it is x into d by it is dx of it is cos sin x into remaining it is cos it is x, plus and keep second term third term as it is, differentiate first term, therefore d by it is dx of x into remaining term it is sin x into cos x as it is. Now differentiate, this equal to x into sin x, differentiation of sin become minus it is, differentiation of cos become minus it is sin x, plus x into differentiation of sin become cos x into one more it is cos x, plus differentiation of x with respect to x it is 1 into it is sin x into it is cos x. That is equal to, so multiply a term minus x into sin square it is x, plus it is x into cos it is cos square x, plus it is sin it is x into it is cos x. Now in this term we can take it is x's commonly, x take commonly, and plus it is cos x cos square, plus it is cos square, minus it is sin square it is x, plus it is sin it is x into it is cos x as it is. Now we know the formula. Cos 2 theta that is equal to cos square it is theta minus it is sin square it is theta. Cos 2 theta formula applied here. Therefore, that is equal to x as it is. Cos square x minus sin square x we can write as cos it is 2 it is x, cos 2 it is x, and plus it is sin x into it is cos x as it is. And this is the final simplification. Okay, come to the next 18th one. Y equal to sin x power it is x degree. Y equal to sin x degree. So pi radiant that is equal to 180 degree. We can write as it is pi by it is 180 radiant that is equal to 1 degree. Just multiply on both sides by x. Therefore x into pi by it is 180 radiant that is equal to 1 degree into it is x. Simply we can say that it is x degree equal to pi x by it is 180 it is a radiant. So now, so x degree we can convert as radian form equal to pi x by 180 radiant. Now what is given question? Y that is equal to sin it is x degree, that is equal to sin it is x degree we can write as pi x by 180 radiant. Pi by it is 180 into x. Now here it is the term is called it is pi by 180 as a variable. So now we have differentiate. Applying of it is differentiation, d by it is dx of it is sin it is 2x differentiation, and that is equal to sin become cos 2 into x into, again we have to differentiate the term, it is 2x, d by it is dx of it is 2x, that is equal to cos 2x into differentiation of 2x, it is 2 is quotient term, differentiate x with respect to x1, therefore 2 into 1, that is equal to cos 2x into it is 2. We can write 2 times of it is cos it is 2x as the answer. Therefore, differentiation of sin 2x that is equal to 2 times of it is cos 2x. Differentiation of sin 2x become cos 2x. Sin become cos. Here theta value equal to 2x. But here it is instead of theta we have 2x. Again we have to differentiate the 2x. Differentiation of 2x become it is 2 into 1, that is 2. Therefore 2 times of it is cos 2x differentiation. We apply this rule for this condition. Therefore differentiation with respect to it is x and dy by it is dx that is equal to, and sin become plus it is cos. Therefore it is cos pi by it is 1 and it is 80 x into d by it is dx of within the bracket it is pi x by it is 180. What we have method previous one, same it is 1. Here it is 2x as it is pi by 180 into it is x. Therefore it is when 2x is called pi x by 180. Now differentiate again and this term, and pi by 180 is called quotient term, and differentiation of x become 1. Therefore it is cos pi by 180 x into pi by it is 180 into it is 1. Now write term as it is pi by 180 into cos pi by it is 180 into x, that is called it is differentiation. It is called dy by it is dx. Next one, question number 19. Y equal to log x base it is 10. Now this equation it is log it is a base b. We can write as it is log a base c into log c base it is b. And these two are it is same. The both are cancelled. We can write log a base it is b. Now convert log a base b in the form of log a base c into log c base it is b. Here a is called it is x and b is called it is 10. We can rewrite as log x, log it is x base e into log it is e base it is 10. Convert as it is log x base 10 as it is log x base e log e base 10. Log e base 10 is called a quotient term. We can write as it is log e base is 10 into it is log it is x base is 10, and it is called given it is y. Now differentiation with respect to x, dy by it is dx left hand side is equal to, it is coefficient term, right, as it is log it is e base it is 10 into differentiation of log x. We know d by it is dx of log it is x, that is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by x. Therefore base 10, that is general property, base e base a base it is 10. Therefore any base we can take logarithm equal to log x equal to 1 by x. Therefore log x equal to 1 by x, that is equal to log it is e base it is 10 by it is x. That is final answer. Question number 20. Draw the function f dash of x if it is f of x given 2x square minus 5x plus it is 3. So using the function f of x, first we want to find out as f dash of x. The given function f of x that is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus it is 3. Now differentiate the given function with respect to x. F of x we can write as f dash of it is x. Differentiation of it is f of x become f dash of x that is equal to, it is what form it is, x power n form. D by it is dx of x power it is n, that is equal to n into x power it is n minus 1. After this formula, it is 2 is called quotient term. 2 right as it is, n is called it is 2 here. Therefore it is 2 into x power it is 2 minus this 1. n into x power it is n minus 1 minus 5. Differentiation of it is x with respect to x it is 1. So it is 1 plus constant term as 0. and it is equal to multiply, it is 4, and x power it is 2 minus 1 is called x, minus it is 5, and it is called f dash of it is x. Now just we want to find out a graph. Again, we can take this function, it is called f dash of it is x, that is equal to 4x minus it is 5. Using that, just we find out a table x and f dash of it is x, minus 1, 0, and it is plus 1. Put x equal to minus 1, 4 into minus 1 minus it is 5, that is equal to minus 4 minus it is 5, that is equal to minus 9, minus it is 9. Put x equal to 0, 4 into 0 minus it is 5, that is equal to minus 5, minus 5. Put x value equal to it is 1, 4 into 1 minus 5, that is equal to 4 minus 5, that is equal to minus 1, minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 comma minus 9, then 0 comma minus 5, then 1 comma minus 1. Just to plot the point. Approximately 1 minus 1. First point is called minus it is 9, minus 1 comma minus 9, it is minus 1 comma minus 9. Then 0 comma minus 5, 0 comma minus 5, 0 comma minus it is 5, and then minus 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus it is 1, 1 comma minus 1. Just it is joining of these three points. We obtain a straight line, and this line is defined by f dash of it is x, that is equal to 4x minus 5. It is called a straight line. Y equal to mx plus it is c form. We obtain a straight line. The first derivative obtain a straight line 4x minus it is 5. Dear student, and that's all in the exercise number, it is 10.2. The remaining exercises we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you, one and all.